इतना इजी होता था।
कैसे होता था वो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ। हेलो हेलो, एम ऑडिबल?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
सो कैसे आसान होता है इसको हैक करना?
क्योंकि बोथ साइड्स आर सिमिलर।
ओके, बोथ साइड्स आर सिमिलर? नो,
हम्म।
be precise, be precise. There's a common secret key, there's a common secret key to each participant, to each user, right? हर इंसान के लिए एक कॉमन की थी, एक सीक्रेट की थी, वो भी सबके लिए कॉमन थी, है ना? अनीश याद आया?
हम्म।
अनीश कहाँ है?
यस सर।
अनीश तुम कहाँ गायब रहते हो?
नहीं सर, वो बस में हूँ तो इतना चिल्ला मिल्ली।
So I'll just discuss what's the problem.
Jahidul will not be joining today.
Okay.
He is traveling.
Okay. No problem with that.
So
Yeah.
tomorrow just brief him about today's class.
Sure. No problem.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So let's discuss the problem with symmetric cryptography. For that, I'll give you an assignment, but I'll also just write it down. So I'll just give you. Acha, tell me how many alphabets we have. How many alphabets we are having?
26.
26 letters, which means keys can be 0, not 0. 0 कुछ मतलब नहीं है, but I'll just write it 0 to
26.
$26. Right? Right, Amin? Anish? We have
Yes.
alphabets
Yes.
0 to 26, right? Right? बोलो यार.
हाँ 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 सर।
Yes.
What Anish? कहाँ गया वो?
हाँ सर।
Yeah. That means we have to take key that extend from 0 to 26 only. Why? Because we have 26 letters. So we have to keep it in this way only. We have to rotate in 26 only. For example, Z plus 3 equal to C. Z. It goes again in the circular motion. Z, A, B and C. Right? याद आया ना? ये किया था हम लोगों ने. बोलो.
Key will
Yes sir, yes sir.
rotate.
Yes, it will rotate. For example, Y, Z, then it will again go to A. We have done this. I have given you given a question to solve it. For Amin, I think I gave you y plus 4. Then what's y plus 4?
Yes.
Then what y is plus 4? Y plus 4? C?
D.
Yes.
D.
Okay. Yes, just I'll just stop. Yeah. So now, for example, wait. Suppose this is an encrypted text or cipher. Suppose this is a cipher. Okay. And you all are hackers. Anish, Charan, and Amin. You all are hackers, and you have to decrypt this, decrypt this, decrypt this cipher. But I'm not giving you key this time. I'm not giving you key this time. Key is hidden. For example, key is hidden. Now, what's the method you'll apply to decrypt this? आप कौन सा तरीका यहाँ पे apply करोगे जिससे आप इसको decrypt कर पाओ? मैं आपको की नहीं दे रहा हूँ, की छुपी हुई है, मुझे नहीं पता क्या की है. But then how you gonna decrypt it? What methods, what techniques you will apply to decrypt it? Just let me know. कोई
Sir,
बता
is
दो.
the key one?
Sorry, Anish.
No. Oh, sorry, sir. I just miscalculated.
Okay. Anish, have you heard about brute force attack? Brute force.
Yeah.
What
Yes,
is brute force?
Uh, I didn't know the statement.
Okay. See, brute force means do everything which is possible for you. Do everything. Do everything which is possible for you. And once you find the answer, or which you find this must be an answer, यही होगा आंसर, वो एक brute force होता है. Brute force कैसे? For example, मेरा पासवर्ड समझो, मंतव्य, छोटा नाम ले लेते, चरण ले लेते. चरण, Charan, what's your birth date?
Sir, my birth date is 4 December 1981.
4th December
1981.
1981. Okay. See, now Charan kept his password Charan 12. Okay. Now, what will hacker do is they'll apply every possibility. For example, they'll apply Charan, which is a wrong password. Then they'll apply Charan 4, wrong password. Then they'll apply Charan 1981, wrong answer. Then they applied 4 Charan, wrong answer. They'll try again and again at each possibility. Once they will reach a possibility, Charan, and once they'll click the enter or press the enter, the password is right. This is brute force attack. You apply every possible information you have, like someone know your password.
What do you said? Brute force attack.
Brute force, brute force.
Root.
Brute.
Brute. What is the spelling of brute, sir?
BRUTE. Brute force attack. Here, the attacker will use every and each possible information of yours. For example, Charan and its birth date 1981, 4th December 1981. And he'll apply each and every thing to just decrypt your password. And once he'll reach to a possibility where Charan 12 is the right answer, then he'll get to know your password and he can access everything. Okay, Amin, Anish, aa raha hai samajh? Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Amin?
Yes,
Amin?
I have a doubt. Can
Yeah.
we change the name? If Charan, can we give first name as N? Interchange the letters like that we can do.
Do everything. For example, Charan password came to be opposite of it. NARAHC. What he does is he just did the reverse of its name and kept it as a password. Now
Okay.
attacker will apply each and every information, and this can be done by computer. So you don't have to worry. Computers have this technology known as brute force. There's a software, there's an application known as brute force software which can do this work for you. Okay, getting I mean?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So that's why we say keep your password in a way that it has an upper letter, an alphabet, and a capital letter, a small letter, and the signs, not comma, percentage, slash, this. This way makes your password strong, and don't keep any personal data of yours as a password. कोई भी अपना पर्सनल डेटा हो, अपना नाम, कोई जगह का नाम, फेसबुक, कुछ भी ना रखो, चरण 123 ये सब रखोगे ना, सबसे आसान होगा. You are the most vulnerable to get hacked. Your password will be decrypted in seconds, right? Because they apply brute force attack. You must have heard about the strongest password is when you will keep up, when you use upper letter case, upper letter alphabets like capital A, capital B, or it's a mixture of upper letters and the small letters, and also the signs and numbers. So, for example, I keep my password as, for example, I'll take Gwalior, GW from Gwalior, MA from my name, and blockchain as a small letter, at the rate, any random number, 1984, when we won the World Cup. This is the strongest password because they cannot determine what's your personal data is, because they know your personal data, but they cannot interpret from it. They have to give idea. But this is just a random number, just a random number, just a random digits, not digits, just a random password. Okay, getting? Are you understanding it, everyone? Karan, Anish, Amin,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anish.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Understood.
Okay, Amin.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So now tell me, if I'm giving you this ciphertext, I'm giving you this ciphertext. Now tell me what possible informations do you have? आपके पास क्या क्या information है?
APFKC.
हाँ ये तो है. इसके अलावा क्या information है जो इसको decrypt करने में मदद आती है? अच्छा, for decrypting this, what you need? What you need? For decrypting this, what you need? इसको decrypt करने के लिए क्या लगेगा?
ABCD.
What?
Alphabets. Keys.
No. Keys.
Okay.
You'll need key, but you don't have key. But you have the range of keys 0 to 26. समझ आ रहा है? कुछ चमका दिमाग में?
Yes.
क्या करोगे? What you'll do now? What you'll do? I mean, what you'll do to just decrypt this message using
We will use.
this set of keys 0 to 26. What you'll do?
Yes.
क्या
We will
करोगे?
I
use
think
each and every
we
single
will
key.
Exactly.
use every
You will,
numbers
yes, you will try every
until
possible
26.
key. Yes, you will try every possible key applying to this. For example, I'll take key is equal to 1. Just tell me if I use key is equals to, then what is the answer? Just tell me fast.
L.
If I'm using k is equals to 1. Now what's the answer? Just tell me.
K. I'm sorry. L.
N,
Q.
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 G. Yes.
No,
P.
Q,
Q.
P नहीं आएगा, कुछ और आएगा P की जगह.
P के बाद Q आता है ना सर?
P से पहले जाना है. तो अरे हमें डिक्रिप्ट करना है चरण.
Oh, sorry.
डिक्रिप्ट करना है.
Oh, sorry.
We have to minus.
Okay.
Yeah,
minus.
just tell me again.
Oh, sorry.
One by one. K के पहले क्या आएगा चरण?
J. J.
J.
हाँ J.
Yes,
सही है. Sorry. Now Amin, what's before P?
O.
Before.
No. Yes,
OPQRS.
O. Yes, O. What's before F? Anish?
हाँ सर
What's before F?
E.
Be fast, yaar. What's before K? J.
J.
What's before C?
B.
B. Do you getting any idea what does this mean? कुछ समझ आ रही क्या है?
Yes, sir.
आ रहा है समझ ही क्या है? No, I'm not saying that समझने वाला. I'm saying, are you understanding what's the meaning of Joib? Are you getting the meaning of it, Joib?
No.
Amen. Do you know this meaning of that word Joib?
No, I don't know.
What, Anish? Anish?
यस सर
Anish, तुम गायब बहुत होते हो. ठीक है? So we'll just put cross. Then we'll take K is equals to 2. Now just tell me again. What will be it? What will be? Instead of K, what's the letter? बोलो.
क्या करने से?
What?
Sorry,
Oh, now we have tried for K is equals to 1 but we aren't getting any answer. Sorry, but we are not getting any answer. Okay. Now we'll try K is equals to 2. We'll do this until we get the encrypted or the original message or which we can interpret. Okay, जिसको हम समझ सकते हैं. हाँ, इसका कुछ मतलब होगा. This
Sir,
means
I.
something. I, right. Anish, next. What's P? P के दो पीछे क्या होगा?
N.
पीके दो हाँ M.
Next, Amin बताएगा. Amin, what will be the
सर पीके दो पीछे M होगा ना
नहीं?
पीके दो पीछे M N no it's M sorry
Yes.
N,
sorry
Now,
sir
Amin, what's
D.
before
Before.
D?
D.
Now, what's before K? I.
I.
Now, what's before C?
A. India. This is the मिल गया sir. क्या
मिल
बात
गया
है?
मैसेज? मिल गया?
Yes.
ये समझ आ रहा है? I understanding what's the meaning of this word. What's it is written?
Yes.
Yes.
Amin, what does it mean?
India.
India. Country.
India. That's the encrypted text. For example, suppose I chose key is equals to 24. Then you have to try each possibility. Till when you apply key is equals to 24, then you'll get the answer. This is how brute force attack is done. And in Caesar cipher, it's the most used brute force attack. So we don't use Caesar cipher at all in today's internet. और कभी use भी नहीं किया गया था. We don't use Caesar cipher in internet from nowhere, and from I think it's just only to understand the concept of Caesar cipher or the cryptography. Okay, समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
understanding it?
In one thing, in olden times, I think so. We simply wrote that names, but now it
Yes,
is coming
exactly.
caps,
Yeah.
numbers, characters should be given. I think so.
Yeah.
Olden times, in 90s, I think so. It
Yeah.
is not coming.
Old times it was used. Like there's another symmetric cryptography known as substitution cipher. Substitution cipher. This is Caesar cipher, and next is substitution cipher. That's somewhat more anonymous, but it can also can be hacked. So we don't use symmetric key nowadays. We don't use symmetric key nowadays because we have a common secret key which is available to everyone. सब लोग देख सकते हैं दुनिया में वो की क्या है. अगर नहीं भी है तो ब्रूट फोर्स अटैक करके उसको कोई भी हैक कर सकता है. समझ आ रहा है everyone?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
this is known as brute force attack, and this is the vulnerability in the symmetric cryptography. Now we'll see asymmetric cryptography, which is most important, which we use today. There are various symmetric cryptography. Various. I think there are more than 50. Rail attack, rail trail, substitution, Playfair. There are various. So we have time. We got time after the completion, of course. I'll just tell you. They are they are interesting. Very interesting. So now, Amin, what's asymmetric cryptography? Amin.
Yes, asymmetric cryptography use two keys for encryption.
Yes. What are the name of those keys?
Public and private.
Public key,
Yes. And private key. So, what you are understanding by the word private key? क्या समझ आ रहा है आपको? What is private key? Anyone?
जो एक की जो सिर्फ ऑथराइज्ड लोगों को पता है.
नहीं नहीं ऑथराइज भी नहीं. Not authorized. Only you should know your private key. किसी को नहीं पता होनी है. फिर मतलब ही नहीं होगा. कोई भी आपका क्रिप्टोज हैक कर सकता है. कोई भी आपका पासवर्ड हैक कर सकता है. Not password, but communication में कोई भी घुस सकता है. Private key means the key which is private to you. The public key which means the public key which is public to everyone. Private key means private to you. Now, how does this work? Now that we have seen the problem with symmetric cryptography, there is only a single key, okay, which is public to all. Now, what if there's a private key and there's a public key? I'll encrypt that using public key, but the person can only decrypt it using their private key. ऐसा समझ नहीं आएगा. I'll just show you.
so there will be two keys.
There will be two keys for each person. For example, I'll just show you a whole board for it. Just write it down. The topic is asymmetric cryptography. Now, see. अब बहुत अच्छे से समझना. जहां डाउट हो, let me know. This is Amin. This is किसको लूं बताओ.
मुझे ले लीजिए सर.
Okay.
Unavailable. 24/7.
Okay. So now, what you will have is you will have your own private key. For example, PA. PA means private key of Amin. Okay. No. Wait. It will confuse you a lot. I'll just rename it. For example, private key is PD. Okay. And public key is no. Wait. Yeah. Amin private key is private key of Amin. Now public key is no. I'll just name it D. Oh, why I'm confused. Okay. Amin public key is PA. And its private key is DA. Similarly, Charan public key is PC and its private key is DC. This is small c. This is small c. It's like this is P and this is C. It's a small p. Like I told you, na A1, A2. Remember? Remember everyone? याद आया? याद आया नहीं आया?
नहीं आया सर.
अरे मैंने याद नहीं एक चीज याद आई थी के छोटा सा 1 के 2 ऐसा छोटा
हाँ.
ऐसे यहाँ पे हम छोटा
हाँ,
1
हाँ.
लगाते 2 लगाते हैं.
Yes sir.
Right, Amin? Do you remember this?
Yeah. आ गया सर, आ गया.
Amin?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
So similarly, I'm saying this is the public key. I'll just say private key means private means D. A public means P. Okay. So Amin is having its own public key of Amin, and D means private key of Amin. Similarly, Charan will have its own public key P, public key of Charan, and D means private key of Charan. Right? Now, if you want to communicate with each other, for example, Amin and Charan want to communicate with each other, and Amin wants to send Charan a message. Amin को Charan को एक message भेजना है. Now, what has happened to be in symmetric cryptography? There is a single key. So I'll just encrypt it and it'll just decrypt it. Now it will not happen now. Now, what will happen is there's a thing, or in asymmetric cryptography, you can only decrypt public key using your private key. मतलब कि I'll just show you. For example, Amin wants to send Charan a message. Amin क्या ask करेगा? What will Amin ask? Amin says, give me your public key. Give me your public key. So Charan will give his public key to Amin. Now we have message, right? We have cipher. Now how will cipher will be done? Amin will decrypt message using Charan public key. Amin will encrypt message using Charan public key. Now he will send this encrypted message to Charan. Now Charan, how will it decrypt it? Charan will use its private key. Now the message is C is equals to E to the E of PC of M. Now decryption, how is decryption done? So decryption D is equals to decryption of using Charan's private key of C. So we'll get D of DC of E of PC of M. This will cancel out and we'll get M. मैं थोड़ा सीधे लिख देता हूं, बहुत टेढ़ा हो गया. Understood? Amin wants to send Charan a message. Amin को Charan को मैसेज भेजना है, तो Charan को क्या करना पड़ेगा? Charan को अपनी पब्लिक की जो सब देख सकते हैं, प्राइवेट की नहीं, पब्लिक की Amin को भेजनी पड़ेगी. Now Amin will encrypt the message using Charan's public key. So he will apply encryption algorithm. So encryption of message using Charan's public key. Right now, this encrypted message will be go to Charan. Now Charan will be having this message E is equals to E of P of C of M. Now he'll apply decryption. So D is equals to decryption of using private key of C. Decryption of ciphertext using private key. Decryption of ciphertext using private key. So D of DC, E of PC of M. So they will cancel out each other and we'll got M. Understanding? For example, Mantave, who is a hacker, I am a hacker. I can see this message. I can see this message, but I don't have this key. How can I decrypt it? Because this can only be decrypted using private key, which is owned by users itself. They don't show to everyone. They only show their public key. वो सिर्फ अपनी public key दिखाते हैं. So when I'll get this message EPC of M. Now how will I decrypt it? When I'll get this message E of P of Charan of M. Now, how will I decrypt it? And that's why we say, for example, this is your account. For example, Charan Amin. This is the bank or the UPI bank. Private key is your UPI pin. So I'm not able to do the transaction because I don't have your private key, and that's similar to crypto. That's why we say don't share your private key, because if it is not your key, then they are not your coins. अगर वो आपकी key नहीं है तो आपके coin नहीं है. Understanding?
सर वीडियो
यहाँ switch.
वीडियो गया
हाँ.
वीडियो
Sorry?
ये गया.
वीडियो बंद हो गया.
हाँ.
Okay. Now visible?
नहीं सर.
नहीं है. वीडियो नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं आ रहा सर.
अरे ऐसे क्या हुआ? Now?
हाँ आ गया सर.
Okay. So, you getting it? If we don't, if we share a private key, then all our cryptos, all our cryptocurrencies are gone. This is how asymmetric cryptography works. आप कहीं से भी हैक करने की कोशिश करो तो नहीं कर पाओगे, क्योंकि because Charan is holding its own private key and private key is used for decryption. Just write this line. Just write in your copy. Public key is for encryption and private key is for decryption. I'm just saying it again. Just write it down. Public key is for encryption and private key is for decryption. Amin, Anish, Sharan, any doubt? मुझे डाउट आएंगे, पूछो मुझसे.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Amin, any doubt?
No doubt.
No doubt. For sure.
Yes.
Okay. Charan, any doubt?
No sir. Public
Okay.
key
So
is for encryption and
public key
private
is for
key
encryption. Yes.
decryption.
And okay. And now you'll be thinking how these public key are shared. How these public key are shared. ये हम एक दूसरे के साथ exchange कैसे करते हैं? So there is a directory. Just write it down and I'll show you. Just draw it. Just draw this. Also write private key is a private key of Amin is equals to P of A. No, sorry, public key of Amin is PA and private key of Amin is DA. Just write it down. I'm just dictating. Just write it down. Private public key of Amin is PA. Private key of Amin is DA.
1 minute sir.
Yeah.
Public key of Amin is PA.
PA, PA.
Private key of Amin is DA. हो गया सर.
And private key is DA. Similarly, Charan, public key is PC and private key is DC. Amin, are you writing what I'm saying?
Yes. Yes, right.
Okay,
Yes.
just write it down. When once completed, let me know. I'll dictate it later. I'll dictate both. Anish, are you writing?
Private key of Charan is
actually,
DC. Yeah.
Yes, private key is DC and public key is PC of Charan. Written, everyone?
Hmm.
Anish, Amin?
Yes.
Don't draw this diagram. When I'll complete it, then draw it. Okay.
सर मैंने तो ड्रॉ कर लिया सर.
चलो कोई नहीं.
आपके
आमिर?
साथ साथ चलता हूँ सर.
अरे नहीं, ऐसे मत क्या करो. उससे क्या है, इंसान समझ ही नहीं पाता है.
जी ठीक है सर.
पहले समझ सुन लो, फिर आराम से लिख लेना.
जी.
आमिर?
Yes.
Okay. Now write it. I'll write it. Now suppose Amin, Charan wants to send Amin. No, sorry. Yeah. Amin wants to send Charan a message. Now suppose Amin wants to send Charan a message. Now suppose Amin wants to send Charan a message. Written?
Yes.
Okay. For that, Charan has to send its public key to Amin. Now Charan has to send his public key to Amin, which is PC. In bracket, write PC. Now Charan has to send his public key PC to Amin. Written?
Hmm.
Anish, Amin?
Yes.
Amin?
Yes. Written.
Anish is not replying. Okay. Now, once Amin received the key, he will encrypt the message. Using Charan public key. Once Amin receive Charan's public key, he will encrypt the message using Charan's public key. Written? Amin, Anish, Charan.
Yes. Written. Yes.
Yes sir.
Just
Okay,
write down
okay.
the formula. C is equals to encryption E of PC of M that I have written on board. Just write C equal to E of PC of M.
Done sir.
Done? Okay. Now change the paragraph. Charan will receive the encrypted text from Amin. Charan will receive the encrypted text from Amin. Charan will receive the encrypted text from Amin. Written. And then he will decrypt that message, and then he will decrypt that message using own private key, using his own private key DC.
Using
His own private key DC.
DC.
Written. Charan, Amin, Anish.
हाँ सर
Yes, written.
Amin, written.
Yes, yes.
Now write that formula. C is equals to EPCM, then D is equals to DC of C, then DC and PC are are cancel out with each other, and then we are remaining with M. Okay, so in last just write it. We decrypted the message and we get the message M. Yeah, I mean.
सर वो C is equal
C
to
is
E
equal
M
to
लिखना है
E.
या D वाला लिखना
C
है
is equals to encryption of message using Charan's public key PC. It's written PC. What are
C
you?
is equal
Yeah.
encrypted message using key PC. इसके आगे सर वो D वाला लिखना है.
हाँ, ये जो फॉर्मूला लिखा है ना, C is equals to EPCM, D is equals to DDC, राइट साइड वाला, इसको लिख लो.
हाँ.
So you'll receive the message M by decrypting it. Okay. Just write it down and let me know. Then I'll ask the question.
सर वो जो E के नीचे लिखा है वो PC है कि DC है सर?
DC. अब क्योंकि अब अपनी प्राइवेट की से करेगा ना, तो DC.
Okay.
DC and PC are calculated in such a way that they cancel out each other. For example, 2 minus 2. The P is 2, then DC is minus 2. This is, I am taking an example. This is how PC and DC are linked with each other. And it's like DC is a lock and PC is the, PC is the lock and DC is the key. Okay. PC can only be decrypted using DC. Nobody else can decrypt a PC. Written? Amen, written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Karan, written? Anish?
हाँ
Anish.
सर
Okay.
सर
Now
ये
I'll
जो
ask
C
the
is equal to
हाँ, क्या पूछ रहे हो?
सर ये जो फॉर्मूला है D is equal to DC ब्रैकेट C
हाँ,
फिर is equal to DDC ब्रैकेट EDC M है ना?
C को मैंने खोल दिया. C अच्छा, C के अंदर क्या EPCM नहीं है? उसी को तो लिखा है मैंने C की जगह.
हाँ, पर
देखो.
वो जो वहां पर EPC है, यहाँ पर EDC है सर.
नहीं EDC तो मैंने कहीं नहीं लिखा EDC.
नहीं, ई के पास में डीसी है कि पीसी है सर? सेकंड लास्ट लाइन में
पीसी है और डी के नीचे है डीसी.
ओके, ठीक है सर.
Yeah.
ओके,
Don't get confused. Encryption is using public key, which is PC. Decryption is using DC.
ओके सर.
Okay.
Here,
Now,
a single
yeah, I mean,
person key is used. PC and DC only used. A single person key is only used here.
sorry,
That
sorry, Amin.
PA and DA are not used here.
No, they are not
Only-
used yet. That's the twist, and that's the
Okay.
next question I'm gonna ask. Now, suppose Charan wants to send Amin a message. Then what Charan will need? Tell me. Now, in this case, Amin is sending Charan message, but now Charan wants to send Amin a message. Now, what will Charan need? Hello?
सर
Amin?
समझा नहीं, दोबारा बोलेंगे सर प्लीज?
Okay, see, in this case, I am saying about the diagram I have made in board.
Yeah.
In this diagram, Amin is sending Charan a message, but now Charan wants to send Amin a message. Then what he'll need? What he will need? उसको क्या लगेगा?
He will need a public key of Amin.
Yes, he'll need public key of Amin. Getting?
Yes sir.
Now write it, now solve it by yourself in the in your copy. If Charan wants to send the message and send me on the WhatsApp group, the BC one. I want to see how you the concept is same. You have to solve like same, but now in the opposite direction. Okay, Amin, are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. Just make a diagram where Charan wants to send Amin a message. Then send it in the group. I'll see. Anish, समझ आ रहा है ना? Anish, Charan, Amin, are you understanding, right?
सर जहाँ
हाँ,
नहीं
sir.
समझा पूछ लूंगा सर आपसे.
Okay, हाँ, जरूर. So just do it again. It's similar to like this only. Like Amin raised the right question. We haven't used P and DA here because we are sending someone a message, so we'll need their key. Okay. Similarly, when Charan wants to send a message, they'll need the other person's key. So this is how it works. Okay. Now just send me on the WhatsApp group. I'll check. Don't send me individually, but send on the group so other student will also get the help. Okay.
If Charan wants to send Amin a message, he needs
In first case, Amin wants to send a message, but in this case, Charan wants to send a message. Okay. Charan,
yes sir.
what's the line you wrote when I dictated it? Amin wants to send or Charan wants to send?
Amin wants to send
right?
Charan a message. हाँ जी.
Okay. Wait quickly.
सर फोटो खींच के भेज दूं
हाँ भेज दो।
व्हाट्सएप पर?
हाँ
ओके।
ग्रुप पर भेजना, ठीक है।
ग्रुप में?
यस, उनको लगना चाहिए ना हम कुछ कर रहे हैं।
ट्रू ट्रू ट्रू। सर प्लीज चेक।
यस। You haven't made an arrow where Amin is sending his public key to Charan. You haven't made an arrow. You just made an arrow from Charan to Amin. But what about Amin to Charan? His public key. And you have written E of DA, Charan. It's not DA, it's PA. No,
okay,
it's
okay.
PA. It's PA. No, it's PA. I got confused. Okay, Charan, it's nice, but you have to do like I told you earlier. Made a partition where decryption is decryption will be on the Amin side, and
Oh, encryption will
encryption is
be
on Charan side. So just move your decryption side to Amin side.
okay, okay, sir.
Okay, otherwise it's right, no problem. But also make a arrow where Amin is also sending his public key PA to Charan. Okay, like the I have made on board. If you can see, PC is sending to Amin. Can you see it on the board?
Yes, sir.
So this is how it works. Now you can see it's more secure. Okay, because we don't have the private key here. In symmetric cryptography, there is a single key for encryption and decryption. एक ही key से encryption, एक ही key से decryption. Okay, getting encryption and decryption is using a single secret key. Okay, in symmetric cryptography. But here we are having two keys for having different purposes. Public key is for encryption and private key is for decryption. Okay. Amin.
सर दोबारा
getting
बोलना
it?
सर, मैं लिख। सर दोबारा बोलना।
हाँ,
पब्लिक
मैं
कीज
बोल देता हूँ. In symmetric cryptography, one key
सॉरी।
is used for encryption and decryption.
हाँ,
But in asymmetric cryptography, we use two keys for encryption and decryption. One key is for encryption, which is public key, and one key for decryption, which is private key. Okay, so that's a major difference. वहाँ पे एक ही key से Amin has also an Amin, only the formula. Where is the diagram? I hate when someone don't draw the diagram. Diagram shows
Okay,
more
diagram.
clearly. Yeah.
Okay.
E of PA. Okay. And same mistake. encryption must be on one side and decryption must be on the other side. Like I have made on board. Encryption is done on right left side and decryption is done on right side. Don't do it on one side only. This makes more not confusing, but make it more systematic. The message will go there, then it will got decrypted. Okay, getting? Are you understanding my emotions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So just make diagram and do it properly. Okay, Amin?
Yes, I will make diagram. Okay.
Okay. What about Anish? Where are you? अनीश तो गायब ही होता रहता है क्या करूं मैं
सर आपने सेकंड लाइन क्या बोली सर? बट इन asymmetric cryptography we
in
used
asymmetric cryptography we uses two key for encryption and decryption. One key is used for encryption, which is public key, and one key is used for decryption, which is private key.
one key is used for encryption, that is public key.
Here the key have different purposes. One key for encryption and one key for decryption. But in symmetric, we only have one key for both encryption and decryption. It's like एक तीर से दो निशाने वाला काम symmetric में.
हम्म सर मुझे समझा नहीं सर, मैं मेरे डायग्राम में क्या मिसिंग था?
डायग्राम में सिर्फ एक लाइन मिसिंग थी कि पीए को जो पीए है उसको भी तो
हाँ
वहां भेजो चरण के पास मतलब चरण के पास वरना पहुंचेगा कैसे तो मैं डायग्राम में दिखाना पड़ेगा फॉर एग्जांपल इन माय डायग्राम यू कैन सी पीसी इज गोइंग टू अमिन सी if you can see it see pc is going to you can see an arrow from charan
हाँ
pc so that's only missing otherwise
सर
no
आप
missing
मेरे डायग्राम दोबारा देखेंगे सर? शायद फिर मैंने एरो दिया है पर फिर वो देखिए ना सर, आप डायग्राम देखिए।
पर एरो तुमने दिया है बट एरो तुमने पीसी को दिया है आमिन को तुमने आमिन
हाँ
से पीसी को नहीं दिया आमिन से सॉरी चरण को नहीं दिया है
हाँ
देखो एरो 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 की डायरेक्शन देखो कहाँ है
हाँ
आमिन की साइड है बल्कि वो चरण की साइड होनी चाहिए
तो ये रॉन्ग हो गया फिर है ना डायग्राम?
हाँ इससे इससे पता चल रहा है कि चरण ही पीए भेज रहा है जो उसके पास है भी नहीं
हाँ
तो एरो को बस उल्टा कर दो
ओके सर, कर दिया।
अनीश अनीश मैं अनीश को मैं क्लास से बाहर निकाल दूंगा हमेशा गायब हो जाता है
बोलता ही नहीं सर, उसकी तो आवाज ही नहीं। आमीन और कभी कभी
हाँ
इसकी
अनीश वेयर आर यू
मुजाहिदीन की, बाकी दूसरों की तो आवाज ही नहीं सुनती।
अनीश
हेलो
हाँ अनीश Anish, speak.
हेलो
We are not able to hear you, yaar.
आई एम एक्चुअली ट्रैवलिंग सो
Okay, you are also traveling. Okay, okay, okay. So I have the diagrams for Amir and Charan. Okay. Let's take a break. What do you say? क्या
तो मैं
कहते हो?
बोलने ही वाला था, ब्रेक ले लेते हैं 5 मिनट।
Okay. Okay, then we'll meet around,
Okay.
what's the time? Okay, we'll meet around 15 minutes. It will be, no,
Okay,
we'll meet by after 10 minutes, okay? 20,
Okay, sir.
25, 8:25.
ओके सर, ओके ओके सर। सर मैं लॉग इन दोबारा कर सकता हूँ?
हाँ कर लेना, बट ठीक है, कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
कॉल करनी थी मुझे, ठीक है, ओके सर।
हाँ हाँ हाँ। Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, sir.
Okay. So, Amin, are you understanding now? I know you are traveling, but you are getting right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Amin, are you
I
there?
currently cannot do on
Yeah.
pen and paper, but
Yeah.
I'm
Yes.
still trying to understand.
Amin, any doubt?
In the left hand side and right hand side, it is okay. I understand that one.
Okay. No, sorry. There's no doubt, right? Or you are asking something to me?
The not in the left hand side, you have to write and like right hand side. That one
Exactly, yeah.
decryption and
Encryption
that I
is
didn't understand.
on one side and decryption on one side. Okay, not on a single side. Both, both
Okay.
encryption and
Okay.
decryption. Yeah.
Like
You have
LHS.
sent me photo.
Okay.
Have you sent me a photo? Yes, I think you have sent me a photo. Wait, I'll just check it. Okay, you have sent me the photo of the diagram. Okay, but it's of the old. It's of the old, right? Because here Charan is sending public key, not Amin. But I told you that Amin will
Yes,
now
yes.
send. Yes, yes,
That
yes.
same issue. Left to right. That
You got confused in left to right.
yes, because of that I yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
No problem with confusion. Wait, I'll just see. I think Charan is not there. So now, focus. Amin. So
Okay.
now, Charan wants to send a message, right? So the arrow will be reversed. Now arrow will be this side, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now Charan wants to send the message. Now for that, Charan will ask Amin to give your public key. Charan bolega, if I have to send you a message, if I want to send you a message, give me your public key. So you will give your public key to Charan, which is PA, right? Now
Yes.
you will have a message M, which you have to send to Amin. Charan wants to send the message to Amin. Now he will use your public key. So say cipher is equals to encryption of message. Just write it just how I write it. Okay. See how I write it. Encryption of message M using public key of Amin. Any doubt? Any doubt, Amin? No. This is encrypted text. This will be sent to Amin. Now, Amin will have the cipher text, which is encryption of message M using public key of Amin. Now, you want to decrypt that message. So, decryption means decryption of cipher using private key D of DA. Now, what is C? C is this. So, D is equals to D of A, sorry, D of DA, encryption of message using your own public key. Now, this will cancel out. It's like it's mathematic. For example, P is calculated in such a manner that only D can be calculated from it. For example, 4 into 2 is equals to 8. So 8 divided by 2 equal to 4, which means suppose DA and PA is equals to 8, where P is equals to 2, then 8. So then what is DA? Tell me, Amin.
सर आपका वीडियो ये नहीं है सर.
ये आमिन बोल क्यों नहीं रहा है? आमिन, why are you not saying something?
Can you repeat DA equal to?
You can see my screen.
No. No.
Now?
Yes, no. Okay.
Have you
No,
seen
no.
what I have written till now? Amin.
From that 8 and
Okay.
That one.
Then it na. I'm saying that PA and D are linked with each other so that you can only calculate DA or PA from DA, right? For example, DA dot PA into, so I'll say into PA is equals to 8. We have PA as 2. Then what is DA?
8 by 2.
No, 4. 4 into 2, 8, right? If we have DA into
Okay.
PA is equals to 8 and we have PA is equals to 2, then what is DA? What is DA?
PA is 2 and DA is okay.
I'm saying DA into PA is equals to 8.
Hmm.
Now, PA is equals to 2.
Hmm.
Then what is DA?
4.
4? Amin, 4?
Yes.
Yes.
This
8
is
by
how
2.
we get. Sorry,
8 by DA equal to 8 by 2.
8 by 2. Then 4, right? So
Okay.
this is how they are linked with each other. So I'm saying they are cancel out each other. For example, they cancel out each other in such a way that we only get message N. This
Okay.
is when Charan wants to send the message. So he will, PA Amin will send his public key to Charan. Then Charan will use his public key to encrypt that message. Now this encrypted message will be gone to Amin. Amin will apply decryption algorithm DA of C, decryption of ciphertext using private key of
PA.
Amin.
Hmm.
So this is how we get M. So Charanji, I was saying
Okay,
how I
okay.
write this. See, this is how I write it, so you would not have any confusion. Ciphertext equal to encryption of message. Encryption of message using public key. समझ आ रहा है?
Hmm.
Okay. So this is how cryptography, asymmetric cryptography works. You have to, does anyone to write it down or just rub it?
I didn't come.
सर लिख लिया है सर.
Wait, I'll wait. He wants to write. Okay, I mean, just write it down. And you know what? These algorithm uses prime numbers. Most algorithm uses prime numbers to calculate these private key and public key. There's an algorithm known as RSA. RSA algorithm. RSA full form is Ravish Shamir Eldman, I think. Yeah. So these were the three persons who introduced asymmetric cryptography known as RSA cryptography, and it was based on asymmetric cryptography. एक क्रिप्टोग्राफी सिस्टम आया था, एल्गोरिथम आया था जिसका नाम था RSA. वो तीन लोगों ने बनाया था, वो एसिमेट्रिक क्रिप्टोग्राफी पे बेस्ड था. अब सबके अलग अलग एल्गोरिथम होते हैं, राइट? किसी ने कुछ और तरीके से पब्लिक की और प्राइवेट की को कैलकुलेट किया. Someone used other techniques to solve, made a connection between public key and private key and how they can be calculated with each other. So there are various algorithms, but blockchain uses mostly two kinds of asymmetric encryption known as RSA and elliptic curve. RSA and elliptic curve. I'll discuss it more. Have you written? Charan, Amin, Anish, everyone?
हाँ लिख लिया सर.
If one thing, space is coming, anything to do.
Sorry.
If I am sending hi hello, so hi space hello, then anything will be space is considered, or
Yeah, space is considered. Space is considered, or no, space is not considered. The message will be hi, encrypted form, space, and its encrypted form.
okay.
Getting? Yeah.
मतलब हर एक वर्ड के लिए encrypted अलग अलग होता है क्या सर?
हाँ, हर एक लेटर के लिए होता है ना. I told you.
Okay.
But yeah, in this asymmetric cryptography, it's a lot of mathematics. It's a lot of mathematics. It's like huge prime numbers. The prime numbers that humans cannot think about it. Okay. So there's an algorithm I'm telling you, na, RSA, that uses private key and public key in a way that they are a prime numbers. प्राइम नंबर्स ऐसे प्राइम नंबर चूज करते हैं. प्राइम नंबर्स मैजिक है. अगर आप कभी मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ी हो ना, तो प्राइम नंबर मैजिक है. प्राइम नंबर से आप पता ही नहीं कर सकते कौन से क्या क्या निकल जाए. प्राइम नंबर्स आर यूनिक, so they use prime numbers for solving asymmetric, for not solving but for creating an algorithm known as RSA algorithm. Written?
सर प्राइम नंबर्स का आप कोई उदाहरण देंगे सर? प्राइम नंबर्स.
प्राइम नंबर वो प्राइम नंबर होते हैं जो अपने अलावा सिर्फ वन नंबर से डिविजिबल होते हैं. बताओ कौन से होते हैं ऐसे? अपने से डिविजिबल हो सकते हैं या फिर वन नंबर से. Numbers that can be divisible by 1 or by the number itself. ऐसा कौन कौन से नंबर होते हैं?
7 is
7, 5, 3, 2, 2, 3,
1,
1, 5, 7, 13, 11, 17, 19, 23, 29, 26 नहीं, 26 13 into 2 हो जाता है. 26 is 13 into 2. 31,
31 हाँ 31. 41 भी होता है सर.
37,
41,
right? 43. So they use a lot of large prime numbers, and it's very difficult. Only the supercomputers can decrypt asymmetric cryptography of RSA, but everyone do not have those kind of supercomputers, because their computation power is high. So they calculate each possibility of prime numbers, large prime numbers also. So that's why we say RSA is also vulnerable to supercomputers. But now we have quantum cryptography. If you have read or listened about क्वांटम फिजिक्स, क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग, क्वांटम वर्ल्ड, कभी सुना है ऐसे भारी भारी शब्द सुने?
हाँ सर, सुनते हैं सर।
तो क्वांटम फिजिक्स के ऊपर अब क्वांटम फिजिक्स के क्या कह सकते हैं, by using quantum physics theories and computing power, we are now creating cryptographic algorithms using them, and they are the most secure now. And also these quantum cryptography or quantum computers are able to decrypt each and every encryption mechanism we have today, strongest one also. So now that's why we are shifting to quantum cryptography now. All these
Okay.
are broken down. RSA, elliptic. There are various algorithm in asymmetric cryptography. But when the world got to know about quantum, the power of quantum computing and the power of quantum computers, they are now able to decrypt or can decrypt or I'll say break the mechanisms, the encryption mechanism. So that's very strong. Quantum cryptography. Okay, Amit, Anish, Charan,
हाँ जी,
getting
हाँ जी। यस सर।
Yes.
all are based on mathematics. Mathematics is magic. Have you seen a movie Shakuntala? Charan,
नहीं नहीं सर।
Dekhnam, wonderful movie. He
मूवी।
was there was a Indian lady Shakuntala.
ओके।
Her mathematical power was very strong. He can calculate these kinds of number. For example, there is a number 1 3 5 6 7 9 2 1 3 6 4 2 1 cube root of 3. She can solve it in second, 5 to 10 seconds. She can just solve it.
ओके।
They were talented. I don't know how their brain works, but they can solve these problems but just by seeing it. They do not need any pen or paper. They just can do it. That's why she was known as the human computer, Shakuntala Devi.
ओके।
There's a movie, Vidya Balan. Have you heard about this actress, Vidya Balan?
यस यस सर, यस सर।
Yeah, so she has done a movie and it's on Amazon Prime. So you can watch it. It's an amazing movie and you get to know about how, oh my god, wonderful lady. So that's not about practice. Sometimes human can have these abilities to solve these problems.
जिससे कभी कभी आईक्यू लेवल हो जाता है सर उनका तब।
हाँ, IQ लेवल पे ही होता है. So, Amin, have you watched this movie Shakuntala Devi?
I have heard, but I didn't see.
Okay, just see it. And there's also a movie known as A Man Who Knew Infinity. And it was based on Srinivas Ramanujan, our own scientist, our Indian scientist. सुना आप लोगों ने? Have you heard about him? Srinivas Ramanujan,
मैन हु
Yes,
नो।
yes.
the man who knew infinity.
ओके।
Yeah.
हाँ
That
मैंने
Yes,
movie
sir.
सुना है
was
सर।
brilliant. Yeah, he was a mathematician, I think from South India, I guess. And he was very brilliant in mathematics. He got admission into Cambridge University, the topmost university, where Newton has also been graduated from it. So after his death, nobody actually recognizes him or nobody knows him until a paper found, a lost page of him found, that is now used to calculate the calculate the what I'll just say it. It helps to calculate
Black hole and something.
black hole. It was used to calculate the black hole, the predictions and probability, what it is, and so he was a brilliant man. Brilliant man. So you can watch that movie, A Man Who Knew Infinity. A man who knew. You watched it, I mean.
No, no, I have heard his story. He write in
Okay,
small
okay, okay,
papers
yeah.
in bill.
A Man Who Knew Infinity, amazing movie. You can watch it.
सर वीडियो नहीं दिख रही सर आपकी।
दिख रही है?
हाँ अभी दिख रही है सर।
Okay. So I think we are good to go now for today, because
ठीक है
from tomorrow we'll study digital signature. It's a concept based on cryptography and on especially on asymmetric cryptography, and how it is different from message. Here we send message, but here there will be seeing digital signature. You know what is signature?
यस 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 सर।
That's physical signature. Now, what if the digital world needs signature? How we can prove the authenticity? For example, Charan send me a letter and signed it. Okay, but Amin is a hacker and he can just rub it and he can copy signatures brilliantly. So he just copy the signatures of Charan and said, Mantav, I'm sending you 5,000 rupees. Okay, so I'll go to the court and say, see, Charan has signed it. Charan has signed it. So he has to give me 5,000 rupees. So court will also say, yeah, Charan, you have signed it, but actually you don't have signed it. Amin has signed it using your sign, right? So that's why we have forensic experts who look using microscopes and all to see if these the signs are original or not. There are various techniques. But what if there's a concept like same concept of signature in digital world, in computers? So that's why we need the concept of digital signature, and it's widely used in blockchain. Because, for example, if I have to send you 5 Bitcoin, I want to send Charan 5 Bitcoin. I have to sign this transaction. Me, Mantev is signing, is giving Charan 5 Bitcoin, and that will be yours then. This signature proves that this 5 Bitcoin belongs to Charan, nobody else. So that's why it is of very important, the digital signature. Okay, so we'll study it tomorrow. Okay.
ओके सर। ओके सर।
Okay, Amin, any doubt? Charan, any doubt in today's session?
No, sir. सर आरएसए का फुल फॉर्म का बताइए ना सर।
आरएसए का है राइवेस्ट। आप इंटरनेट पे देख लेना आरएसए एल्गोरिथम फुल फॉर्म। वो 3 नाम है। राइवेस्ट नाम है पहला तो मुझे नाम याद है, राइवेस्ट, और दूसरा भी याद है मुझे, राइवेस्ट, शमीर। मैं कल बताऊंगा इसके बारे में, आप टेंशन मत लो। मैं लेकिन आज पता नहीं चाह रहा हूँ क्योंकि कल वो भी आएगा, मुजाहिदुल भी आएगा। राइवेस्ट, शमीर, एंड आई थिंक द लास्ट नेम इज एल्डमैन। I don't know exactly the name, but this is RSA. Okay. And I'll just share it with you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So you are writing it down?
I have done, sir.
Okay.
So tomorrow morning will be there, or
Yeah, I mean,
evening, which
for you there will be a class in morning.
tomorrow or
Yeah,
next
tomorrow.
week.
How? Sorry, I mean.
Timing will be 8
Timing
or 7:30.
What?
7:30 or 8 o'clock.
What's the time?
You will be 7:30 morning or 8
No,
o'clock.
8 o'clock, 8 to 9.
Okay.
है ना?
Okay.
Or 8:30 to 9:30. What do you think?
8 to 9.
8 to 9.
Okay.
Okay, cool. We'll take
सर
your
हमारे
class.
क्लास ये टाइम पे रहेंगे ना सर?
हाँ, आपकी इसी टाइम पे रहेगी।
ठीक है सर। ओके सर, थैंक यू।
Okay, bye Amin, bye Charan.
Okay, bye.